Sometimes you be like, girl, we ain't doing this today. But then your body's like, you only got one. Hello, everyone. It's your girl, Kirky, and this is Fit for Christ. And today we're coming to you with a how do I be consistent? Because, child, some of y'all start, stop. And I'm talking about myself, too. Yes, I'm a personal trainer, and life be lifing. But guess what? You can be consistent today. Because today we're going to read an excerpt from Struggle to Strength, right? Because it's a devotional that I wrote, and I want to help you. And you can actually get the ebook version down below, okay? So go ahead and get your version because I know y'all don't be reading paperbacks, okay? Y'all like to go on your phone and scroll. So, friend, go ahead and get it. I'm actually going to include a picture of what I'm going to read to you today. And grab from Struggle to Strength, a devotional about 23 fitness struggles that not only have I been through, but many people go through all over the world. This is struggle number 10, which probably should have been struggle number 1. This excerpt is talking about being consistent, and it's entitled, Can't Stay Consistent, right? And here is the encouraging word for it. Let us read. The famous saying goes like this: if you can't stay motivated, then stay consistent. Well, what does it mean to be consistent when you don't feel motivated? Consistency is when qualities or behaviors are always the same, performing a task in harmony. So that means you need to know why you started your health and fitness journey. Did you want to fit into that dress for an event, those jeans, about to get married, change your life by eating healthier or becoming more active? Or do you simply want to ensure you're able to keep up with your kids or grandkids? Let's be real. If you don't move now, then your latter years will be rough on you. So what is your why? Have you truly thought about it? Is this something for you to do? May I suggest something to you? No matter what your why is, make sure it's for you. Don't do this for your friends or your family, but for yourself. You have to live in that body, and you are the one who is limited in movement. You're the one struggling to get up the stairs at your house, etc. So what are you going to do? She ate and left no crumbs. Okay? Get the ebook. So listen, why did you start your fitness journey in the first place? What made you say, I need to lose 10 pounds? What made you decide that it's time for a change, right? Because listen, we only get one body. One. So it's imperative that we stay consistent, right? So I will say that being consistent, like I said in this book, if you can't stay motivated, stay consistent, right? A lot of times I wake up, I don't feel like getting up and doing nothing. Barely want to go to work. But guess what? Being consistent means that, hey, if I'm just starting out, then I'm going to do 3 days a week instead of 7 days a week, because I know for a fact that if I do 3 days in a row, I'm not going to do anything for the next 4 days, right? So you want to space it out. Do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, however you do it. Do 3 days and do something fun within those 2 days. Whether you do cardio, whether you get on my channel and find some videos, okay? Whether you walk for 30 minutes, whether you ride a bike for 30 minutes, whether you do some strength training for 30 minutes. I just need you to be consistent in doing something for at least 30 minutes, 3 days a week, right? You can do this, right? But guess what? Incorporate it into your schedule. You know how you write those doctor's appointments, and you know how, you got to go to work from 8 to 5, right? Well, what about if you get up a little earlier and you do something like at 6 or 7, right? Well, 8 is cutting too close. If you do something about 6:30, or if you're able to do something immediately when you get off work, or if you can take your lunch break and do a little walkie walk, okay? Whatever you need to do to incorporate being healthier into your lifestyle, that is what you need to do, okay? Because you're not going to feel motivated all the time. Sometimes motivation comes from outside sources, right? But hey, let's be real. Sometimes you be like, girl, we ain't doing this today. But then your body is like, you only got one. So you got to be consistent in doing something if you want to see the changes in your body, right? Not only will you feel better in the next week or so, in the next couple of days, but you'll start to feel stronger. Your body going to tell you like, girl, you did something. You're going to be sore. But that's normal because you haven't been doing anything. But like I said, over the next week or so, you're going to start to feel stronger. And that's the important thing, right? You also want to be consistent with, guess what? Like drinking more water, eating healthier foods, right? If you are a late night eater, try not to eat no later than 2-3 hours before bed because it's going to sit on you. How about trying intermittent fasting? How about trying drinking water, right? Drinking more water instead of eating. If you want something sweet, try eating fruit, right? And I also want you to write down the things that you're going to do. Just like you write those appointments in, I want you to write down the days you're going to work out, how much water you're going to drink at this day, this time, right? Because you know what you do on a daily basis. You know you got to get them kids up. So, okay, when I get these kids up, then, before I get the kids up, I'm going to do X, Y, Z. After I get these kids out, I'm going to drink some water. Whatever you need to do, because you need to incorporate it into your lifestyle, because you know how your life is. And the only way that you're going to be consistent is if you incorporate something into your lifestyle the way that it fits for you. Just like you have to understand why you're doing this journey in the first place. Are you just trying to get into a dress, lose 10 pounds so that you can, feel good for your reunion? What is it? Are you trying to be around a little bit longer so that you can play with your kids and your grandkids, right? So that you can experience life with them? Or did the doctor tell you that you need to lose weight because your eating habits are trash? So now you have to figure out, what do I need to do to change my life? And guess what? Exercising always helps. Always. You're going to feel better, period. Okay. So I encourage you, like I said, to incorporate the things into your daily life so that you can start to feel better and that you can be consistent in your life, not what somebody else tells you to do. Okay. It may work for them, but everything somebody else does not work for you. And sometimes you have to sacrifice time and sleep and do what you got to do. Because we all have goals, and if you want to obtain those goals, you have to be consistent and see the plan through so that you can, obtain the goal. I'm trying to tell you. So yeah, get the devotional From Struggle to Strength. Then the link below. Make sure you do that. Also, if this information helped you out, let me know, okay? Because if so, we'll read a little bit more from this devotional because it's here to help you. It's a resource so that it can help you, okay? It's biblical and encouraging. And it also has prayers in it so that you can pray about being consistent. Again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you comment below what kind of resonated with you about what was said today, okay? And until next time, okay, bye.